Hello and welcome to the SCRIBZEE YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to scan your Oxford Revision 2.0 or Oxford Bristol 2.0 revision cards with SCRIBZEE. Open SCRIBZEE, tap Scan, align the 4 markers on the card with the targets on screen. SCRIBZEE detects the markers automatically and triggers the scan. You've probably got other cards you want to scan. Select the plus icon to scan a new card. Scan as many cards as you need. When you've scanned all your cards, tap OK to save them. SCRIBZEE automatically goes back to the main menu. To view your revision cards, open Cards. SCRIBZEE files your cards automatically by colour. You can rename your folders, that way you'll find your cards faster. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about SCRIBZEE, have a look at our YouTube channel.